Do you want to spice up your garden? Make it interesting and creative. Therefore, adding a beautiful garden path is one way to make it happen. A fountain or pond is another, but in this video, I'm sharing with you all the amazing ideas to create garden path or walkways in your garden. Pathways in the garden connect and tie the landscape together. You don't need a pro for the ideas or the installation or feel pressured to impress anyone. You can use any material available with you. For example, you can use brick or stones, tiles, wood. Each and everything can be reutilized or repurposed for your pathways. You can use brick, which help add character and visual interest to your garden. Wood, tiles, stone or mosaic create a special magical feeling. It is totally up to your creative design. Try to be a gardener with low maintenance and inexpensive ways to create the garden path of your dreams. Backyard walkways can transform your yard into a beautiful and functional oasis, connecting the different areas of your outdoor space and providing a pathway to enjoy fresh air and relaxation. Whether you wish to enhance and transform your yard landscaping setup or simply just make your plants more accessible, these smart DIY garden path ideas using a variety of materials help you effectively balance aesthetics and functionality, and then you can visualize your new garden walk. Watch this video till end for more garden pathway ideas. You can create a very modern garden path with large stones which appear to be concrete mixed with different colored stones between and along each slab. A modern feel and up to date, yes, also in touch with nature. Or if you are looking for something more simple that can be done on the weekend, gravel paths with pea gravel, stone and freestanding patio pavers dug into the grass also make lovely options. An easy garden path idea is to fill in the cracks of the steps with stones to bring a lot of appeal to your garden. The moss creeping into the walkway is a nice touch for your garden. To give a continuation in your walkway, you can use stacked stone. It pulls the small stone retaining wall and path together seamlessly. It all creates a very aesthetically pleasing view for the eye. A well-designed walkway, whether a gravel walkway, flagstone walkway, wooden walkway, or walkway made with natural stone, concrete slabs, or wood planks, starts with a plan. Like simple garden path ideas, use old wood to create the walkway. Soil and mulch surround the path, leading you to a grassy area, providing a sense of direction. A garden path assembled with very large stones requires heavy equipment to install. The stone walkway design surrounded by beautiful, interesting vegetation will make you want to stop on your way to the front door. A path in a vegetable garden makes you feel like you are home already. You can also create a very nice, simple, clean looking garden walkway or garden path with white squares surrounded by dark grey rocks. It will fit in a narrow space perfectly between two buildings, one side with short plantings, the other with taller bamboo. Brick walkway ideas can materialize in casual or formal styles. Much like investing in brick for your home's exterior, a brick walkway adds value to your property. Brick pavers are extremely durable and low maintenance, but keep one thing in mind, they can be expensive too. There is another way to have a beautiful garden path is by mixing a beautiful color scheme but transitions with textures in the bluestone and rocks surrounding and very minimal plantings. Such paths can make you feel as if you are in nature but not totally abandoned. You can keep your pathway simple to help ground the space while not taking away from the charm of the rest of the backyard. If you have a lush side garden, you will want to place a pathway that leads from the front yard to the backyard. Flagstone stepping stones are a great option because you can easily place them in the pattern your garden grows. If you have some pallets lying around or an old bookcase, you can disassemble. Then you have got yourself a free DIY walkway. Dig holes in the garden the same shape as the wooden planks and tuck them in. In this way, you can create a very different, striking garden path. You can also create a very minimal garden path made with pavers that look like wood. You can surround this path with smaller rocks and garden edging. Such path will make you feel serenity and balance in all things. Or you can also create some mosaic pebble walkway which will impress anyone who walks on it. And while pebbles are reasonably priced, a skilled artisan must put this path in. Or you can also create a circle pattern made with stones which will add a great way to spice up an otherwise traditional walkway. A great way to implement stairs for elevation while still having a natural stone walkway, the large rocks on either side create a definite placement of the stairs. Whether it's a manicured front lawn, stone-paved pathway, or intricate landscape design, landscapes benefit from the same attention to detail as your home's interior. If you already have a concrete walkway that's in decent shape but feels a little boring, consider giving it a makeover with painted stencils. Whether you want to elicit whimsy or bring a bold graphic to the space, you can accomplish it with minimal time, effort, and money. Concrete paths entwined at the front entrance will give the sleek and modern look to your home.